Hawaii doesn't feel like one place. It feels like four completely different worlds, scattered across the ocean, somehow stitched into a single state. And by the end of this trip, that's exactly what makes it unforgettable. Start in Oahu, where everything collides. City, ocean, history, energy. Waikiki pulls you in fast. High rises against turquoise water, beaches that feel instantly familiar. But the real shift happens when you move beyond it. Hike Diamond Head early, and watch the skyline wake up behind the Pacific. Then leave the city completely. Drive to the North Shore, where the roads open, the crowds fade, and the waves hit harder than anything you've seen. This is where Hawaii slows down, where food comes from roadside trucks, not reservations, where the island feels less like a destination and more like a rhythm you step into. Then Maui changes the pace entirely. Oahu introduces you. Maui pulls you deeper. The road to Hana isn't a drive, it's a progression. Jungle closes in, waterfalls appear without warning, cliffs drop into the ocean, and every turn feels like something you weren't supposed to find. Then Haleakala resets everything. Standing above the clouds at sunrise doesn't feel like a viewpoint. It feels like you left the planet. Maui is where Hawaii becomes cinematic, where every moment feels designed, even though none of it is. Then the Big Island shifts the tone again. This is where Hawaii shows its power. Walk through terrain that looks unfinished, like the earth is still building itself beneath your feet. At Volcanoes National Park, the ground breathes, steam rises, and everything feels alive in a way that's hard to explain. Then it changes again. Black sand beaches, Kona Coffee Hills, nights so clear that the sky doesn't look real anymore from Mauna Kea. The Big Island doesn't try to impress you the same way the others do. It doesn't need to. It just reminds you how small you are. Then Kauai finishes the story. And this is the part that stays with you. The Napali coast doesn't look natural. It looks impossible. Massive green cliffs falling straight into deep blue water, stretching further than your eyes can process. Waimea Canyon adds scale you don't expect from an island. And Hanalei slows everything down to almost nothing. No urgency, no noise, just mountains, water and space to take it in. Kauai doesn't compete with the other islands, it completes them. That's when it all connects. Oahu gives you energy. Mahu gives you beauty. The Big Island gives you power. Kauai gives you peace. 4 islands, 4 completely different experiences,